Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Placement Talks, where we will discuss all placement related stuffs. So today we will discuss about how to calculate the income tax. Many people don't know what is the gross salary, what is the net income, what is the net taxable income. So today in this video we will cover all these things, as well as we will see how to calculate the tax depending upon our income. So for that we will be following some of the steps like calculating the income, calculating the gross salary, calculating the net income, and etc. So let's start the video without any delay. So before that, please do subscribe to our channel for more such related updates. First, let us see what is the total income. So the total income will be depending on the multiple sources. The first source is the salary, of course, the CTC which company is offering to us. The second one is the property rent. If you have given any house for the rent, you will be getting some income from that. And the third one is if you have any fixed deposit in banks, you will be earning some interest on that, so that will also considered as an income. And the fourth one is the capital gain. So sum of all these four will be your total income. So the second thing is what is the net taxable income. Once we calculate our total income, we will be getting some benefits like the HRA allowance and LTA allowance under the exemptions. So we can remove 50,000 rupees from the total income, and also under the deductions we can remove 1,50,000 rupees from our total income. So after this removing the exemptions and deductions from the total salary, we will be left with the net taxable income. So we need to pay the tax for the remaining amount. So let us understand with the small example. Let us assume that your total income is 7 lakh rupees. So in that 7 lakh, we will be getting 50,000 rupees exemptions under HRA and LTA. So let us remove that. Then let's add around 75,000 rupees as a income from other sources like the house rent or fixed deposit interest or anything. So the total gross taxable income is 7,25,000 rupees. We can claim up to 1,50,000 rupees under the section 80C deductions. So we can remove that 1,50,000 from the gross taxable income. So our total taxable income will be 6,75,000 rupees only. Once we have the total taxable income, then we need to check the tax slabs, and depending on our total taxable income, we need to check under which tax slab we will be coming. So here are the tax slabs. Like for the starting 0 to 2.5 we don't have any taxes. Then from 2.5 to 5 lakh rupees we will be having 5%, and from the 5 to 7.5 lakh rupees we will be having 10% in new tax rates and 20% in the old tax rates. So depending upon our benefits and depending upon our choice, we can choose any of the tax rates. Like we can choose the old tax rates or the new tax rates. So depending upon your salary income, we can check under which tax slab we will be coming, and we can calculate the total tax. So to simplify this, I will take an example and I will explain the total tax. So let's see that example later. So once we have identified the tax slabs, we need to finalize the total income. And also we will be getting some rebates under the 87A section. If our net taxable income is less than 5 lakh rupees, then we don't have to pay any tax. So that is the rebate we are getting. And also after calculating the tax, we need to pay 4% more as a cess on the income tax. So let us see now the real-time example how to calculate the tax. I will be taking two type of example. So let us say the first example, we have a total gross salary as a 7 lakh. So the salary is 7 lakh rupees. We will be getting the standard deductions as a 50,000 rupees, and HRA exemptions, let us assume we have claimed 75,000 rupees. Then let us add the income from the bank deposit or any other incomes as a 25,000 rupees. So the total gross taxable income after removing the HRA standard and adding the income tax, it will be 6 lakh rupees. And also after that under ATC we can claim up to 1,50,000 rupees. So let us assume we have claimed 1 lakh rupees under the ATC. Then let us assume under ATD we have claimed 10,000 rupees. So the total net taxable income will be 4,90,000 rupees only. So you can see in the left side, for the starting 2.5 lakh we will be having no income. Then after 2.5 to 5 lakh we will be having 5% income, that is 12,000 rupees. But under 87A rebate we will be getting a option that we don't need to pay any tax. So VR comes under 5 lakh rupees. So we will be getting a rebate of that 5% tax. So we don't need to pay any tax for the 4,90,000 rupees net taxable income. Let us take another example. So the total gross salary will be 12 lakh rupees. So let us assume we have claimed the HRA exemption of 75,000 rupees, then the standard deduction of 50,000, and let us assume we have the income from the bank deposit as 25,000. So the gross taxable income is 11 lakh rupees now. So under the deductions we can claim up to 1,50,000 rupees. So let us assume we have claimed that 1,50,000 rupees. Then under section 80D, let us assume we have claimed 50,000 rupees, like the medical insurance or the insurance of the parents. So let us assume we have claimed total 1,50,000 in 80C and 50,000 in 80D. So the total net taxable income becomes 9 lakh rupees now. So we will be above 5 lakh rupees as a net taxable income. So we won't get any rebate benefits for this taxable income. So let us calculate what is the tax for this income. For the starting 0 to 2.5 lakh, we will be having a 0 tax. Then from 2.5 to 5 lakhs, we will be having 5% income tax, that is 12,000 rupees. Then from the 5 lakhs to 10 lakh rupees, we will be having 20% tax in the old tax rates and 10% in the new tax rate. So depending on that you can calculate. So according to old rate, the 20% of the income tax, that means 80,000 rupees. So the total will be 80,000 plus 12,500, that is 92,500 rupees. And also we will be getting 4% of cess on the tax. So 4% on this 92,000, that will be 3,700 rupees. So this is the total tax we need to pay for the salary of 12 lakh rupees. So this is all about the calculating the tax and also getting the what is the gross salary, what is net income salary, and all other stuff. So that's it for today guys. If you have any other doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, or if you have any suggestions, you can give it in the comment section as well as. So if you want to know how to claim the TDS or how to claim these deductions of 1,50,000 rupees, you can ask me in the comment section. I can make a separate dedicated video on that as well. So that's it for today guys. Please do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. So let's see in another video. So till then, let's stay tuned.